Good morning and welcome back for the little maths mini clip. All of the things that I'm telling you now are on the daily overview. This is just an extra thing to help some of you at home with the learning. Now today we're learning about time, and in your packs you should have a little clock similar to this, and the time on here says 4 o'clock, and on a digital clock it would look like this. Digital numbers are a little bit different from how we usually write numbers. Now, if we're going to play a mini game first, so if it's an o'clock time, you put your thumbs up, and if it's a past time, like so, which means that's halfway between 4 and 5 and that's down, it's a thumbs down. And you can get an adult to play the thumbs up, thumbs down warm-up game. However, after that, you will be doing the main math learning. So if I go back to the time of 4 o'clock, if I move this minute hand here and I move it a quarter of the way around the clock there, and this little hour hand will move slightly, about a quarter of the way between the 4 and the 5, we say this is 4:15. And on a digital clock, it would look like this, 4:15. Now, if I want to show you a quarter, I'm going to show you in a minute how to make one of these circles, which would then show you, let me just straighten that up a bit, a quarter on what a quarter section looks like. And actually, if we slide it around like so, it now is half of it is showing there. And so let's move the clock down to the half. So we've done halfway along our clock, and I need that hour hand to go halfway between the 4 and the 5, and we call this 4:30. And on a digital clock it would look like this, 4:30. If you have a digital clock at home, you'll be able to have a look at this a little bit deeper at the end of the maths lesson. Now, if I move that hand a little bit more, another quarter of the way around the clock, I will come to 4:45. And as I'm doing that, the hour hand will move nearly to the 5. And so we call that a 4:45. On a digital clock, it would be 4:45. And on the template I'm going to show you, you can move the clock round, the card round to 3/4 of the way round. Now, make one of these. All you need is 2 pieces of card and a plate to draw around, give you the shape. Cut out the circle, and then when you've got 2 circles like this, you just cut a radius into the center point of each circle like so. Whoops. Disappears off the screen, and then you can just slide them in. And then you can use these to help you work out what is a quarter, what is a half, and what is 3/4, because they will move around. Okay, when you've done that, you will be able to write the times and the digital times and the words that are on separate sheets using your clock and working it out using the quarter dial that we've made.